Hello, welcome to Angular Step by Step course. Today we will discuss about the at the rate host listener and at the rate host binding. So here, at the rate host listener declares a list to the DOM events on the host element, and it reacts to that event by executing an event handler methods. So we can see an example with that. So before we have created custom directive, uh, we can use this in the host listener also. So I will create a new directive here. Example, ng generate directive. uh, I will create a render directive. Or it automatically create the directive. You can find this render directive here. Yeah, render directive .ts file. So here we can see this app render directive. I have to provide this app directive here, so it will work after some time. If it is no, and I will give ng serve for this. So here I have created this render ts file, right? So it's automatically downloaded into these declaratives when we created this directive. So this custom directive.ts, here we have opened this. Then I will, yeah, private element eleme, private element element ref, and after that we have to private ren to render 2. So I have initialized this render 2 also. Here we can provide host listener. In the host listener I am giving mouse over, mouse enter, mouse enter. The mouse enter event, we have to initialize mouse mouse over event. So we have to take this. Here the function implements any. So here I will provide this, and then below in this I will provide what we have already written this. I'm providing this in this. So we have provided this dot render dot set styles, this dot element native element what we have given in the previous custom directives. It will be implemented. Uh, it will be implemented. So it's already, you know about it. Yeah, it's implemented. Yeah, we can copy this host listener and we can give three types. That is mouse leave, on mouse leave, on mouse leave, and mouse and click event. We can give a more events what we have, and host listener with the on click. So here you can change the pink, yellow. So you can see You can see when we hover over it, it changes to green. When leaves, it will changes to pink. When I clicked on this, it changes to yellow. So you can identify this. Now we are entering into the host binding. So here host binding binds a host element property to a variable in a directory or a component. We can take this host binding here at the rate host binding. Yeah, host binding. In the host binding I can give the it is in single quotes, style dot uh, style dot color I am giving. So in the color I am giving value value string equal to empty value. So why? Because I have to initialize this here, right? So I'm reviewing this. We don't really require any render here, so that is an advantage of host binding. This dot value equal to in single quotes. If you want to change the color to um, brown, brown, and I'm copying this and I'm providing this as hello, and I'm copying this pink. So you can observe this one now. So when I hover on this, it changes to brown, leaves yellow. When I clicked on this, it changes to pink. So that is a magic here. So we are using host paging, host binding, and host legend for this purpose. I hope you understand very well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.